Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I will show you a quick tutorial on how to buy Wojak coins on Huobi Global. The Wojak coin is an ERC20 token inspired by the famous Wojak meme. Based on CoinGecko, Wojak can be traded on Huobi, Gate.io, Bitmart, and so on. Now let me show you how to buy Wojak coins on Huobi Global. By the way, if you haven't signed up on Huobi Global, check the video description for the sign-up link to register and get 3 rewards: a 5,672 USDT welcome bonus, 50% off fees up to 30 days, and a 10 USDT futures trial bonus. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your Huobi app and make sure you have USDT on your account. To buy Wojak coins, go to the Markets tab. Tap this search logo and search for Wojak, and choose Wojak USDT pairs. Click on the Trade button. Under the Spot tab, you select Buy here. This red section shows the sell orders and the green part show the buy orders. The middle part is the current market token price. Keep it under Limit Order for us to set our own buy price. Here you enter the price you want to buy your Wojak coin. And here you enter the amount of Wojak coins you want to purchase. Let me use all my USDT to buy Wojak coin. Once all is set, you tap on the Buy button. Your buy order will usually show under Open Orders. Once your set buy price is triggered, it will be executed automatically.
2 seconds later.
Awesome. My buy order for Wojak coin has been fulfilled. To check your recent trade history, tap here. Here you can see the details of my buy order worth $119. To see your Wojak tokens, just go to the Assets tab. I got here 134,252 Wojak coins. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.